Mood. Okay, so this month is going to be a short one because instead of spreading my $500 across multiple stocks like I usually do, I put the entire thing into one trade, one stock, one position, all in. Let me explain what actually happened. If you watched my last questionable decision episode, you already know the backstory here. A few months ago, I sold my entire Micron position at $448 a share, right before the company posted its best quarter in history. Stock surged over 15%, past Nvidia, Meta, so on. I missed the whole move. So this month, when I sat down to figure out where this $500 was going, there was really only one place my brain wanted to go. Micron recently dumped, dropped all the way down. Yes, over $1,000 a share is still a lot. However, the vibe immediately said, get back in. So this month's entire $500 went into 0.5 shares of Moo or Micron at $1,033. That's it, that's the whole month. One trade, one stock, half a share. Let's just sit with it for a second. I sold Micron at $448 because I wanted to secure the win. It's not trading above 1000, and instead of staying away after watching it run without me, I went all in on the comeback at more than doubles what I originally sold it for. This is either the most committed investor you've ever seen, or someone with absolutely no memory or his own training history. Probably the second one. But here's actually a reasoning behind it. A dump on a stock that just had its best quarter in company history, that's not automatically a red flag. Sometimes that's just the market taking a breather before the next leg up. The semiconductor story isn't over, memory chips are in higher demand than ever, Micron just proved they can execute at the highest level, so when the price pulled back to $1,000, the vibe said, this is an opportunity, not a warning sign. Putting the entire month's contribution into one position is unusual for me, but this wasn't a random pick. This was a stock I already knew the story on. I just learned the story the hard way. Now, obviously, this is not diversified investing. Normal advice would say don't put your entire monthly contribution into a single stock, and normally I would agree. But this channel isn't about doing the textbook thing every month. It's about documenting real decisions, even the ones that go against conventional wisdom. If Moo keeps climbing, this was a great single bet. If it drops from here, well, you'll see that in the next month's Vibe video too. That's the deal. So that's it this month. $500, one stock, zero point 0.5 shares of Micron at $1,033. Not the usual spread it around approach, just one convenient call based on a stock I genuinely regret selling the first time. This is, as usual, not a financial advice, this is vibe trading. If you want to see whether putting the whole month into Micron was genius or just history repeating itself, subscribe and stick around. Road to 1 million. One concentrated bet at a time. See you next month.